Hello dear learner. I, Miss Swapnali Satish Farande from Delonic Society's Baramati College of Pharmacy, Baranpur, Baramati. Today I am going to present a new topic, Introduction to Prokaryotes and Eukaryotes from subject Pharmaceutical Microbiology. Contents: Introduction to cell, Introduction to prokaryotes, Introduction to eukaryotes, difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. After completion of this topic, students should be able to define prokaryotes and eukaryotes, describe the structure of prokaryotes and eukaryotes, distinguish between prokaryotes and eukaryotes with their examples. Introduction to cell. The cell can be defined as a basic functional unit of life. The term cell is derived from the Latin word and was first observed by scientist Robert Hooke in 1665. A cell is the smallest unit of life which is able to control and perform several functions in all living organisms. Microorganisms and all other living organisms are classified as prokaryotes and eukaryotes. In that first one is a prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are organisms without a cell nucleus or any other membrane-bound organelles. Most prokaryotes are unicellular, but some prokaryotes are multicellular. Examples are blue-green algae, that is cyanobacteria, bacteria, archaea, etc. What is prokaryotic cell? The simplest type of cells are prokaryotic cell. A prokaryotic cell is a simple single cell that is unicellular organism that lacks a nucleus or any other membrane-bound organelle. Prokaryotic DNA is found in the central part of the cells, a darkened region called the nucleoid. Scientists have divided the prokaryotes into two groups, the bacteria and the archaea. This is the structure of prokaryotic cell, which consists of cell wall, plasma membrane, nucleoid DNA, cytoplasm, capsule, pilus, ribosomes, flagellum, etc. Shapes of prokaryotic cell. Most prokaryotes have one of three basic shapes: cocci, bacillus, spirillum. Cocci means spherical round shape. Example, Streptococcus. Then bacillus means rod shaped or vibrio shaped. Examples are Salmonella and Escherichia coli. And third one is a spirillum, means helical or spiral shape. Example, Treponema pallidum. Some prokaryotes have a variety of shapes and sizes and are said to be pleomorphic. Examples are Rickettsia and Mycoplasmas. Then eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are organisms made up of cells that possesses a membrane-bound nucleus as well as membrane organelles. Genetic material in eukaryotes is combined within a nucleus within a cell, and DNA is organized into chromosomes. The organisms may be multicellular or single-celled organisms. Examples are animals, plants, fungi, proteins, etc. Then what is eukaryotic cell? A eukaryote is any organism whose cell contains nucleus and other organelles enclosed within membranes. The eukaryotic cell has a nuclear membrane that surrounds the nucleus in which the well-defined chromosomes, that is, bodies contains hereditary material, are located. Eukaryotic cell also contains organelles including mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, and endoplasmic reticulum and lysosomes. Examples of eukaryotic cells are plant cells and animal cells. This is the structure of eukaryotic cell, which consists of plasma membrane, nucleus, nucleolus, nuclear envelope, chromatin, DNA and histones, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, 70S ribosome and 80S ribosome, vacuoles, cytoplasm, cytoskeleton, DNA, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. Comparison between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. In that first First characteristic, nucleus. Nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cell and present in eukaryotic cell. The average size of prokaryotic cell is 0.2 to 2 mm in diameter and eukaryotic cell is 10 to 100 mm in diameter. Location of prokaryotic cell is free in cytoplasm attached to mesosomes, and eukaryotic cell contain membrane bound structure. The next characteristic, membrane bound organelles, which are not present in prokaryotic cell and present in eukaryotic cell. Examples are mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, etc. Cell wall of prokaryotic cell usually present, many contain peptidoglycan, and in eukaryotic cell, cell wall is present in plant cell, no peptidoglycan. Then the another characteristic is number of chromosomes in prokaryotic cell is 1 and circular, and eukaryotic cell more than 1 and linear. Cell type of prokaryotic cell usually unicellular, some cyanobacteria may be multicellular, and in eukaryotic cell, cell type usually multicellular. True membrane bound nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cell and present in eukaryotic cell. Genetic recombination in prokaryotic cell is partial unidirectional transverse DNA, and in eukaryotic cell, meiosis and fusion of gametes. Lysosomes and peroxisomes are absent in prokaryotic cell and present in eukaryotic cell. Microtubules in prokaryotic cell are absent or rare, and in eukaryotic cell present. Endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria are absent in prokaryotic cell and present in eukaryotic cell. Cytoskeleton may be absent in prokaryotic cell and present in eukaryotic cell. Ribosomes are smaller in prokaryotic cell, that is 70S, and in eukaryotic cell are larger, that is 80S or 70S. Vesicles are present in both prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Golgi apparatus and chloroplast are absent in prokaryotic cell and present in eukaryotic cell. Flagella in prokaryotic cell are submicroscopic in size, composed of only one fiber, and in eukaryotic cell, microscopic size, membrane bound, usually arranged as 9 doublets surrounding 2 singlets. Permeability of nuclear membrane is not present in prokaryotic cell, and a selective type of permeability is in eukaryotic cell. Plasma membrane with steroid usually not present in prokaryotic cell and present in eukaryotic cell. Mesosomes are present in prokaryotic cell and absent in eukaryotic cell. Then mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum both are absent in prokaryotic cell and present in eukaryotic cell. These are some references for this topic. Thank you.